Hi everyone, thank you for watching. Today's video is going to be a thrift store haul for my boy and girl, and they got to spend their birthday money, their chore money. At this time they were doing chores for money, a little bit of money here and there. So they earned a couple of dollars, probably about $14 every 3 or 4 weeks or so, from all the chores that they did. My girl, not so much as my boy. My boy's a real go-getter. He likes to do chores for money. He will get all of his chores done and, you know, earn some extra money. And then he'll ask for more stuff to do so he can earn more money. So far he's saved up from birthday money and everything else. He's got probably $140 right now. So that's a lot of money. So they wanted to spend money. They wanted to go to a thrift store. My son always wants to get cat stuff. We have to limit the amount of stuffed dolls that he gets though, because cat stuff. Yeah, right. We have to limit the amount of stuffed animals that he gets because he's pretty much at capacity right now. Yes, kitty. And so I said, well, get other things like toys, maybe puzzles, something like that if you want to get cat stuff. So I'm guiding him in the direction of not getting a million cats. He can get different kind of things. My girl, she's very excited about cooking. She's always loved to cook with me. My boy, actually, he loves to cook with me as well, but not so much. That's not where his love is. His love is in cats and Minecraft, and it always has been, really. So I wanted them to spend responsibly and not go out to a store. Like, one of these items is $50, but we only paid a couple dollars. They only paid a couple dollars. So they could have went to the store and bought the same thing for $50, or they could go to a thrift store and buy something that somebody gave to the thrift store and donated, so it's helping the thrift store. And that's something else that I want to speak about. There are some thrift stores that we do not go to because we don't believe in their cause. They're they say not for profit, but their whole gain is to profit. There are a few thrift stores that we find more worthy of donating to, and one of them, a big one, is Goodwill, because they help disabled people in the community to get jobs, and they give them very meaningful work. And pretty much everyone that works in our Goodwill has some sort of disability, and they're able to work, and they do a great job. They price things, they run a register, they stock the shelves, you know, they organize stuff, they sort stuff in the back. They're just running the whole place, and they do a wonderful job. And like, when you donate to them, the money goes to help people work in the community. So we love Goodwill. And another one we like is Salvation Army. Salvation Army, they don't charge tax. They are truly like a charity. They help people get a second chance. When you do community service on your second chance, you do it there. And I think that's beneficial. I always think it's beneficial to get a second chance. And they really do help people get a second chance, get back on their feet. When hurricanes came, Salvation Army came out and gave people water. So they are doing something that is visible to the community, and it's a worthwhile cause. So those are two off of the top of my head. And also there's a soup kitchen. It's called Brothers Keepers. You probably don't have one in your neighborhood called Brothers Keepers, but you probably do have a soup kitchen. They probably do have a thrift store that you can donate to. They'll give people emergency food if they lose their job and they have no assistance, and those are worthwhile causes as well, because it could happen to anyone, and anybody can become suddenly in an emergency where they don't know if they'll be able to feed their kids. So they will always have like an emergency food pantry. We've seen people go in and get stuff, like if they have a house fire or they're displaced or they lose their job. Yeah, so that is a very worthwhile cause. And I'm teaching the kids what each one of these thrift stores do, and it makes them feel better that, you know, they're not just giving to a big corporation. They're actually helping their community. Okay, this was filmed probably 2 years ago. So it is an older video. They have most of this stuff still. So here is the video. They filmed it themselves. This is what Raphael and Abigail got. They chose the items at the thrift store.
This is my haul for everything I bought, including this jacket. Some things my mommy bought, right?
Yes.
And some things, 3 of these things, I'm gonna figure that out, is what I bought. This receipt is from Goodwill, and I paid with my own money. It's cash. I also donated. This is a jacket. It's a Nautica jacket for $3.98. That's a really low price, and you paid for it. Thanks. This is a very breakable iron cat, right? Or is it glass?
It's probably glass.
Better not break it.
It's a silver kitty cat.
Yep. And I really love it. That's why I chose it.
I'll hold it.
Oh, thanks.
I'll show everyone.
Don't drop it.
And this one was $1.98 for a very pretty cat to put on your shelf.
Okay, this one was Granny. She goes to sleep, but I think someone broke her. Someone in the store probably tested her out and broke her.
Yeah.
She won't go to sleep.
She did go to sleep once for us, but I haven't been able to get her to go back to sleep.
She keeps waking up. Okay, when you press this button too many times, she'll just pop out and scare you. I wish you could see it.
It's funny.
You'll be like, ah! What is that? Oh, it's raining.
And it's ringing.
Are you
raining?
Kitten? Are you kitten? Next up, we have this gun. It's a hover duck, pretend. And it's from Pro Bass Shops to Goodwill to us. $1.98 for a really noisy gun. This rain is really kicking in. Next up, we have a 1,000-piece puzzle that I chose and bought. And I think it was, yeah, $1.98. Look, it's so cute. I thought it would be easy, but it's 1,000 pieces. How could this be? How? How could this be? I saw that in the 1,000-piece puzzle, 500 to 1,000-piece puzzle aisle. And I found 1,000-piece puzzle. This is crazy. And I'm going to put it together myself. As long as no one helps me. Abigail has a haul.
And we're going to go get her right now so she can show you what we got.
Okay. Bye for a little while.
Hi guys, now I want to show you my haul. My haul is a big, beautiful purse. I want to show you all I got in it. It's a little pumpkin.
It's Shopkins.
But it's missing lots more. So we gotta find all of it. This is all it has left.
You can put your own stuff in it.
A little purse
Let's see.
Shopkin. Isn't it so cute? You can't lose him because he's very small.
Yes, you got a little Shopkins. So this holds all of your little Shopkins, little toys or other little toys.
But it belongs in here.
Yep. There you go.
My favorite toys are gonna belong in here.
That's right.
I have so much favorite toys. I think you can't handle all of them. Okay, I'm gonna close it up, open it back up, and ta-da! Here's the outside of it. And this is how we hold it. This is how we hold it because it's a purse. Okay, now I'm going to show you my next part of my haul. It's my waffle maker. I burnt my hand, so Mama bought me one, so I can't burn my hand again. Now I can make castle waffles, crown waffles, and that's all it has in it. So there's more. I like it 100,000,000,000%. Because I love waffle makers.
Next up, we have a game, 20 questions for kids. $2.98. You bought this for 2 to 10 players. It's a family game. It's a family game. It used to be like $8, as it says.
Someone wanted $8 for it, but we got it at Goodwill for $2.98. 20 questions for kids. 20 questions for kids. The classic game of people, places, and things.
Like, what's your name? Look at everybody's eyes. Look at everybody's eyes.
Game board, 150 cards with 3,000 clues, playing pieces, complete instructions. And there's a lot of questions.
3,000 clues.
Here's I'd like you to see a sword and a shield. I'll show you how it works. Oh, you can. I'll take it out with my sword. That's how it works.
How do you use the shield?
Well, you point it here and when someone attacks, it punches it and it doesn't hurt you. That's how I think shields work. Here is next we're going to make this hummingbird nectar.
Hummingbird nectar, yeah, that's right.
Today, but I don't know how to make it. Can you teach me?
Yes.
Well, what's inside it?
Sugar.
Sugar.
And then we're going to add water to it and give it to the birds.
But how do we feed it with red ones?
Yeah, we'll have to put it in our container for the hummingbird to eat.
What's a container?
The hummingbird feeder.
Well, they have little flowers so it can drink out of it.
Yeah. And we got this at the Dollar Tree for $1.
Okay, here and this is can you show me what it is?
It's a candy chemistry set. What do you do with it?
You make yummy candy. And that includes gummy bears and chocolate.
So you make candy and it comes with a thermometer and all of the candy that you can make. And it comes with all of this, like a science lab. And it makes all kinds of candies.
Ooh, what's this one though?
Oh, that is crystal candy.
I love crystals. This is a Candyland from Dora. Candyland Dora. And I got one that I got a teddy bear that's named Dora.
Backpack, 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 backpack.
I love playing my game. I can play with all my new games. It's going to be so much fun. And I also got a new dress and a princess dress. It's upside down afterwards. Yeah, it's going to look very
So
pretty.
you got a new dress. Very pretty.
Does it make stuff?
Nope.
Mama put this up for me. I know, Mama, it's very pretty. I love it. A princess dress.
Oh, I think it's very pretty.
Yeah.
I love it. It's got pretty flowers on it.
Yeah.
For a pretty little girl like you.
No, I still have the yellow part on.
Uh-huh.
Because my shirt is still waiting for me to put on.
Yep.
Uh-huh.
It's a very pretty dress.
Next up, we have Candyland. I played this at therapy with my therapist.
Candyland.
Trying to
And
find the
this was
price.
$1.98. It's right on the front. But what was the green sticker for that day?
Half off,
So we got it for less than $1.
99 cents. Okay. So here's what that looks like inside. That's how much you move, and those are your gingerbread people.
We got all 4 of those.
We got the board too.
And a nice, good-looking board.
Wait, that's the same. This is the same game.
Mm-hmm.
This same game, the exact same
The
thing.
board is like new.
Yes.
So for 99 cents, that was a great deal.
Yes. That was color of the week. And last, I think this is gonna be what we're playing tonight, and my favorite one, Block Souls. Build your own video games. I'm gonna build Minecraft with it. We can even play it on the app, as you see in the front. The instructions are on back.
Hi, kitty. Bloxels, build your own video game. Build on the board and play in the app. So, this is a starter kit. Comes with 320 blocks, 1 game board, 1 challenge poster, and 1 guidebook. Okay, so here is it's a thick plastic Bloxels blockle.
Ooh.
And we got all this. I don't see the challenge poster, but we have the big book that comes with it. And he'll have the app as well. So all of these. This was a great deal. We only paid $2.98 for this.
Coins. I found coins.
No, I don't think that's a poster. No, that's just a block. Okay. So he can sort this out by color if he wants to do that, and that'll be...
Yes, color.
This one's absolutely full of blocks. But yeah, this is the starter kit for the Bloxels. I have never heard of this before, but it looks like a great game to play. And I know that he's going to enjoy it because he loves Minecraft.
Can we please play it tonight, please?
Yes.
Thank you!
Thank you so much for watching. Hope you subscribe. Hope you like my videos. Click the bell button. Have a good day. Remember to subscribe.
Have a happy day, and remember to subscribe if you like this video. Same thing for thumbs up. Smash it with your mouse.
Remember to subscribe.
Thank you so much for watching. Check out our other videos and our other channels where we daily vlog every single day on Fully Living. Leave us a comment to let us know you are here. Have a great day.